Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in the previous session, as you all know, that we were doing the back exercise of chapter number 9, that is PowerPoint. So in the today's session, I'm going to continue with the back exercise of chapter number 9, that is PowerPoint. So this is chapter 9 power point. Okay, so in the last session we have done the question answers also. So today I am going to begin with the application based question of chapter number 9. So the application based question was, okay, so first of all let's write down the heading, that is application based question. Application based question. Okay, so the question was, while working on a science project on PowerPoint, Ravi changed the font style and the color of some sentences, but soon he realized that the previous setting of the text was better. He does not want to do it all over again. Can you help him to do these changes quickly? Okay, so Ravi, he was making a PPT or presentation, and he had made certain changes, like he has changed the font style, he has changed the font color, okay, and he has changed the color of the text. But after doing all this, he realized that whatever changes that he has made, okay, that was not suitable or it is not appropriate. So he just want to get back to his is to get back his PPT on the previous version. So he want to get the previous version of the PPT. So what changes he can do? Okay, what changes he can brought so that his PPT, what command he should do use so that he can get back to his the previous format that on which he was before the formatting of the text. So in that case, he has to do undo. He has to undo all the changes, whatever changes he has made. Okay, so for undoing the changes, what he needs to do is, okay, so he need to press Ctrl plus Z, but that is, okay, that is not a Ctrl plus Z only. So there is a proper step that he needs to follow for undoing the work whatever he has done. So let's write down the step, okay, so that helps him, okay, to change, to do the undo the changes. Okay, so answer is, these steps he needs to follow, the steps he need to follow so that the steps he needs to follow so that he can so that he can so that he can get back to the previous setting, so that he can get back to the previous setting of the text. Okay, so the steps that we should mention here, that is, click on undo clear button. The first is click on undo clear click on undo clear button. So the undo button is like this. Okay, it's an arrow. Click on undo clear button, okay, which is like this. Okay, from quick access toolbar, from quick access from quick access toolbar, to undo the changes, to undo the changes, to undo the changes he made to his presentation. Changes he made to his presentation. Okay, so this is the step that he needs to follow so that he can undo the changes that he has made to the presentation. Okay, and what will happen? Okay, so when you will click on the undo button in the quick access toolbar, what will happen next? Okay, so after that, as you make the changes, so what will happen? So that is what happens? The PowerPoint cancels the last changes. Okay, so this is whatever I'm writing in the bracket. So this is the change that he will see by after pressing this undo button. PowerPoint cancels the last changes, cancels the last changes. PowerPoint cancels the last changes he made to his presentation. He made to his presentation. Full stop. Okay, so this is the step. Okay, so this is an application based question. So what happens if someone has, okay, not only if we're talking about this application based question on the particular person, suppose if you had also made some changes in any of the your presentation or any work that you had done on the desktop, but you want that the previous work, whatever you have done, that was quite better than this one. So in that case, you can undo the change. Okay, you can undo the work whatever you have done by pressing the undo button on the quick access toolbar. Okay, so quick access toolbar के ऊपर आप अपना undo press करके undo button you can press it and you will get all the changes whatever you have done. So now the another thing is, okay, so देखिए okay, I'll show you the window screen. Okay, so this is a window screen of PPT. Okay, so now I'll show it here from here. So this is a window screen of the PPT. So here this is a quick access toolbar. वहाँ पे आपको two arrows you will see. The one is like this, another is like pointing towards this one. So one is undo and another is redo. So these are the undo and the redo button on the PPT. चलिए. Okay, so this is the application based question from the chapter number 9. You can pause the video and note it down in your notes. Okay, after this application based question, so now we are left with only the window screen, okay, in which you have to mention all, you have to label the things that has already been given there. So just label all these. Okay, so I'm going to start from here, from the quick access toolbar, and after that I'll move clockwise. Starting from here, we will move clockwise. Okay, so let's make it. Okay, so this is a labeling. Okay, that we will discuss. I think that we should discuss it in the online class, so that will be better for us. So that practically I can show you that what are the various tools, where are the various things that that is present on the screen. Okay, so now that labeling map we will do in the next online class, in our online class. Okay, so now after the chapter number 9, we are going to begin with the last chapter of our computer, that is chapter number 10, internet. So let's begin with the chapter number 10. Right. Okay, so write down the today's date, that is 17 January 2022. So this is chapter number 10, and the topic is internet. Internet. The topic is internet. Okay. So in the today's world, okay, so as the online class is already going on, I don't think so that anyone is aware, anyone is unaware of about the internet. Okay, okay, from the last near about 2 years, we all are on computers and the mobile phones only. We are dealing each and everything on the mobile and the laptops, on the computers only. Okay, so now in this chapter we are going to discuss about one of the, okay, just like food and water and the clothes, now the internet is also termed as one of the need of the today's world. Okay, as the COVID period is going on, okay, and again the COVID is getting so the बढ़ता जा रहा है, so it is getting expanded so and it's spending so much. So now we are going to begin. Okay, so now we are again on other online classes. Okay, so now online classes that you all are attending nowadays, the video you are watching right now, what is all this? Okay, how it can be happened, that it is possible for you so that you can interact to us, okay, while sitting at your homes as well. This is all through the internet. Okay, so internet, okay, this is one of the basic need for the today's world, for the today technology. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss about the internet. So first of all, let's read about the term that is given in the book. So the internet is popularly called net. It is a technology that connects millions of computers across the world. Computers connected to the internet can exchange information with one another. Okay, so now the internet is also known as net. So the other name of the internet is net. We can also call it net. Okay, and it is a technology that connects the millions of computers across the world. Okay, एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो millions of computers को, जो दुनिया में millions of computers उनको connect कर रही है. Okay, computers connected to the internet can exchange information with one another. Okay, through the internet. Okay, through the internet we are connecting millions of computers that are present all over the world with each other. दुनिया में बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर हैं, सारे कंप्यूटर एक दूसरे से कैसे कनेक्टेड है? थ्रू द इंटरनेट ओनली. Okay, you can share your information, you can share your data. You can not data can be in the form of a video, it can be form of a image, it can be form of a document, it can be in the form of PPT. So all the information that you can share with the internet very easily. Okay, okay, so we have lots of apps that we are using on the internet nowadays to share the information, to share the videos. Okay, right now you are watching this video and this video is available on the YouTube only. Okay, this video is available on the YouTube only and you are watching. Okay, अब ये YouTube जो whatever you the YouTube on YouTube you're watching this video as, so now that YouTube is also working through the internet only. Okay, so the another term that in the place of internet we use is net. So internet is popularly known as net. It is a technology that connects the millions of computers across the world. ये एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो दुनिया भर के जो मिलियंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स हैं उनको एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट कर रही है. कंप्यूटर्स कनेक्टेड टू द इंटरनेट कैन एक्सचेंज इन्फॉर्मेशन विद वन अनदर. ओके, जो कंप्यूटर्स हैं वो, जो जितने भी कंप्यूटर्स इंटरनेट से कनेक्टेड हैं वो एक दूसरे से इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ही ईजिली शेयर कर सकते हैं. Internet was developed by the Advanced Research Projector Agency, that is ARPA, ARPA of the US government in the year 1969 and was first known as ARPANET. Okay, so this is a very important term. So internet was developed by, one of the very important term that you need to underline and kindly underline, that is ARPA, ARPA. So internet किसने develop किया था? ARPA. So its complete name is, the full form of ARPA is, that is Advanced Research Projects Agency. Okay, so it was invented by the ARPA, that is Advanced Research Projects Agency, in the year 1969. So internet was developed in the year 1969 by the ARPA, that is Advanced Research Project Agency. Okay, and earlier the internet was earlier known as, now we are calling it as now in the short form we call it as net. Okay, the complete name is internet, but before the internet term was introduced, it was earlier known as the ARPANET. So it was known as the ARPANET. So write down. So earlier internet was known as the ARPANET. ARPANET. Okay, so internet was developed by ARPA, that is Advanced Research Projects Agency, in the year 1969, and earlier it was known as the ARPANET. Okay, so nowadays we call it as net only. Chaliye. So this was little bit about the information about the internet. The next is, today billions of people around the world access a variety of services on the internet using computers and the mobile devices. The www, World Wide Web, and the email are the two of the most widely used internet services. Other internet services include instant messaging, chat rooms, discussion forums, and FTP, that is File Transfer Protocol. Now, we are talking about what are the various terms that are related to the internet. So the first and the foremost is www. Okay, so we already know about the www. So www means World Wide Web. Okay, so www. So it is known as World Wide Web. Full form of www is World Wide Web. Okay, so www की full form क्या है? World Wide Web. Okay, so in which the internet is connected. We are connecting through with all over the world through the www. Okay, so आपने देखा होगा. So whenever we search for a site, सबसे आगे उसके लिखते हैं www.google.com. So that is World Wide Web. So whatever you make, whatever kind of searches you are making, okay, that you are using. Okay, we are using this one, this www short form. So that means that it is searching whatever the information, that जो भी information है पूरे all over the world जो नेट पे अवेलेबल है किसी भी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में, so that can be searched through this version. Okay. The world emails of the most internet services. Okay, so on the internet, what are the other services that are available that you can message instantly. Okay, there are chat rooms are available. Okay, discussions and FTP, file transfer protocol. So you can transfer files as well. So there are variety of things that are available on the internet. Even that ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है that is not available. That if you want to search or want to get information about anything, that you can easily avail through the internet nowadays. Okay, so this was just an introduction about the topic, that is internet. In the next session, we will discuss about the various advantages and disadvantages and the requirements of the internet in the today's world. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.